Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 raised to the power of square root of t equals 8 raised to the power of t. So we are going to solve for the values of t that satisfy this equation. Now I can have 2 raised to the power of square root of t. And this is just like writing this 8 here, I can have it as 2 to the power of 3. That is 2 times 2 times 2. And this is raised to the power of t. Now, if you have a to the power of n, and this is raised to the power of m, this is a power n times m. So from here, we have 2 raised to the power of square root of t equals 2 power. We multiply this exponent 3t. Now, if you have a power x and this equals a power y, that means x equals y. So we apply the same thing here. That means we have square root of t equals 3t. Now we need to eliminate the square root. I can raise this to the power of 2. I raise this to the power of 2. So the square root here cancels the square here. I have t. And for this, I distribute this exponent to each of the terms inside the bracket. That is to the power 2 times t power 2. So this will simply give us t equals 9 times t squared. So this simply means we are going to have t equals 9t squared. So what I can do again will be to divide this by t and divide this by t. So t divides t, I have 1 equals this. This is just like writing 9 times t power 2 minus 1 because this is to the power of 1. And if you have a power n divided by a power m equals a power n minus n. So from here, I will simply have 1 because 9t power 2 minus 1 is 1. You have 9t here. So you can solve for t. If you rearrange this, I have 9t equals 1, meaning that I can isolate t. I divide this by 9. I divide this by 9. 9 eliminates 9. So I have t equals 1 over 9. Now, in this particular method of solving, I have t equals 1 over 9. I can decide to form a quadratic equation at this particular point. This is t equals 9t squared. I can note this t over here. I have 9t squared minus t equals 0. I can factor out t as t times this divides t. I have 9t minus t divides t. I have 1. And this equals 0. So I can easily have t equals 0. I can have 9t minus 1 equals 0. So this is solved already. To solve this, I'll move negative 1 over here. I have 9t equals 1. I isolate t. Dividing this by 9, dividing this by 9, 9 cancel 9. So I simply have t equals 1 over 9. So in this method, I'm having two different solutions, which are t equals 0 and t equals 1 over 9. That is impressive. So what we can do at this point is to check for each of the solutions. We have t equals 0. We also have t equals, this is 1 over 9. Now I can simply have, let's check for t equals 0. I have 2 power square root of t equals 8 power t. When t equals 0, I have 2 power square root of 0 equals 8 power 0. And from here, square root of 0 is 0, so I have 2 power 0 equals 8 power 0. And 2 power 0 is 1. 8 power 0 is 1. So that has satisfied the equation. Let's also check when t equals 1 over 9. I have 2 power square root of t equals 8 power t. I have 2 power square root of 1 over 9 equals 8 power 1 over 9. Now, if you have square root of a divided by b is square root of a divided by square root of b. So that means I'm going to have 2 power square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 8 power 1 over 9. So square root of 1 is 1. I have 2 power 1 over square root of 9 is 3 equals 8 power 1 over 9. This 8 here, I can replace it with 2 power 3. Remember, 2 power 3 is 8. So I have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 9. So remember, a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. So I have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 3 times 1. This is 3 over 9. That's 3 times 1 over 9 is 3 over 9. So 3 cancel itself, 1 cancel 9, we have 3. I have 2 power 1 over 3 equals 2 power 1 over 3. So the both sides are the same. That means the solution is correct. So you can as well simplify this further. Remember, if you have a power 1 over n, this is n root of a. So 2 power 1 over 3 is the same thing as cube root of 2. And this is cube root of 2. So that is correct. Now, what we can do again, I've discovered that t equals 1 can also satisfy this equation. Look at it here. I have 2 power square root of t equals 8 power t. T equals 1. This is 2 power square root of 1 equals 8 power 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So you have 2 power square root of 1, that is 1, equals 8 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 1. Okay, 2 power 1 is 2. And 8 power 1 is 8. So this is not a solution. I thought it was actually a solution to it. I thought this was a solution. So that is just an oversight. So I thought it was a solution because I thought this is going to give us 1. I thought it was actually 1 power 2 and 1 power 8. So that means this is not a solution. So we can cancel that out. This is never a solution. I thought it was actually a solution. So the only 2 valid solutions we have are t equals 0 and t equals 1 over 9. Now, there is no other solution at all. If you feel there is any other solution, you can kindly drop this solution on the comment box. I would really appreciate to know and to find out if there's any other solution. But for now, we go with these 2. Thank you, and guys, see you again in our next video. Goodbye.